Hello, beautiful people. Future me. So, let's get into it. And into it, I mean typing. Where is my typing? Here. Okay. Improve. Oh, we are done. Okay, so we will take another one, which we will take closure C shell git. Yeah, why not? Oh my god, I don't like it already. Okay. Alright. 2 minutes. I'm guessing the first lessons in everything are shorter. So I guess we can make another one. Alright, 5 minutes almost exactly. And we have a 14 overhead and 29 BPM, which is subpar for me at this moment, but I don't mind since we are doing like the characters which I'm not used to, so I would say it could be good. And we will continue on execute program today. Look at the next lesson, 24, 33, 81, so the TypeScript it is. And syntax error versus type errors. Alright. In JavaScript, any code with valid syntax will run. In TypeScript, code must have valid syntax and must type check. Only then it will run. JavaScript syntax checks execution, TypeScript syntax check, type check execution. What's the difference between the syntax error and type error? We can think of it by analogy to English. Free house, cube, dog block is invalid English syntax. Each of those words is part of English, but they can be in that order. No English sentence can be made of 5 nouns in a row. Okay. Likewise, a function return class if war is invalid TypeScript syntax. Each of those words is part of TypeScript, but they can't be in that order. If we try to compile that code, the compiler rejects its syntax. The type checker never even runs. When your syntax is correct, the compiler checks the semantics, types. That tree is angry is valid English syntax, but it doesn't type check. Tree can be angry outside of fantasy novels. Okay. TypeScript A plus B is valid syntax, but if A is number and B is boolean, then A plus B won't type check. In this course, you should write syntax error when some code, okay, I'll copy paste. When some code has a syntax error, continue to write type error when the syntax is correct, but the types are wrong. Continue. Function return class if or bad. And this one, A1, A3, so this is free. Type error, syntax error. Cool. One lesson available. Let's go. Change the function to have invalid syntax. There we go. Return type inference. I never read those. So what is this function 2? Return 1 plus 1. Let as string equal to type error. Type number is not assignable to type string. Okay, let's go. This is the return type inference lesson. Functions return values. Return values can be inferred, which saves translate. Bam. Okay.
Inferred. Inferred.
Inferred.
Inferred.
Inferred. Okay. Inferred, which saves us from typing them out. As with all inference, the types still exist and are still enforced. Inference only means that the compiler can determine types for us. Okay, continue. 2, so that will give us this. Return 2 string, so this is type error. Cool. Arrays. That was quick listen. Not complaining. This is the arrays lesson. Array types are marked with square brackets. An array number of numbers is number square bracket. Okay, this is that, so I guess it will print this. Yep. Arrays can contain any type, string, is it an array of strings, etc. Boolean true, false, bools 1 should be false. The type string has two parts. Overall, it's an array, but inside the array there are strings. Makes sense? For now, we are only consider arrays that hold exactly one type, like string, square brackets. Later, we'll see arrays with mixed types, like an array of strings and numbers. Okay, so this is type error. Remember, the types are always checked. Assigning a new variable preserves the type even if it's inferred. Okay. Values strings, so it will be this thing. Cool. Numbers, this will be type error. Here we go. Array identity. Maybe.
Identity.
Identity.
Identity. Identity. Identity. Identity.
Identity.
Identity.
Identity. Alright. Array identity. Write a function that takes an array of numbers, then returns it. It shouldn't change the array in any way. Force the array to contain numbers so that other types of arrays are type errors. Okay. Function a number and returns number. Okay. Return a. Cool. Got it. Finish the quiz. And we are out of TypeScript lessons. That's cool. So 35, 33. So it's JavaScript arrays, the next one. And we have a review on the go. Let's go. Want to concact that. So that will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Slice 1, so that will be B, C, and that will be it. This is false. Size is that one and 0, so that will be undefined because we are getting an element which was not defined, right? A push E, and that I believe returns the length, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are the strings. Strings 2 is X 0, 1, 2, so this will be an A, B, and this one will be X. Then we have A, we pop 1, pop takes the last one, so this will be 1, 2, and end of the array. Size is 3, and we have a new array with the size of 3 filled with D. So this will be D, D and D. Cool. So the second element of this one would be first 0, 1, 2. So this is C. And a pop that returns the pop operation returns the thing we are popping. There's the original, then we have a copy. We do something with the copy and we look on the original. So this will be 10, 20 and 30. And this will be true because the array includes that one slice and we are beyond the border, so this one returns empty array. Then we have a people object with two people array. That is array. The first one is name Cindy, name Delili. There are the names, and for each person in people, we in the names array push person name. So this will be Cindy and Dalili, like so. Then we have a variable array consisting of 1, 2, and we are adding 3 to it. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Slice 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 20, 30. 20, 30. Here we go. A1 can get. Okay, so this one we did not assign anywhere, so we will get the first thing, which was 1, 2 array. There are array of numbers, 3, 1, 2, 3, so sum is 0, and for each number in nums, we are adding it together and then we are returning it. So this is 6, and that was the review. And I have a lesson available. Cool. We'll be writing test. And write function unique array. It should return a new array without any duplicate values. It should not change the original array. Okay. So what we will do arrays is slice array slice or slice takes the same thing. So I don't think I need a new one, so this will be root wall will be this. We will be returning the return value, and here we will make a copy equals slice array, I think, yeah. And let's try return the copy and run it, and we failed on that. Slice is not defined. Maybe like this. It was run. Okay. So we have the copy, and we have that. So here we will return the return value, and copy for each do there will be function which will take nothing. Inside of it, we will say, I'll say, let temp equals copy pop. Okay. If that val contains TMP. If it doesn't, we say add val push TMP, and we will return the TMP. Okay. Red val contains. Okay, so maybe it was includes. Okay, includes. Okay, and we got 2 and 3 to y, and this is reversed. So first we can, I think this could reverse the order. No, it did not. For each, so it takes this one. I have 3. So here I have 3. This is 3. Red file does not include it, so I'll push it. Okay, I don't need a pop. Because the for each takes that one and I forgot about it. Okay. That's okay, because I recalled. So we got that. And we have a map. Okay, map calls a function on each element of an array. It returns a new array of the values returned from those function calls. Okay. So map, so this will be then 10, 20, 30, I suppose. Yes, it is. To uppercase, so this one will be A, B, and C. Map to uppercase. Map doesn't change the original array. Okay. So num0 will be 1. In a previous lesson, we built an array of people's names using for each. there's that example again. Here we have that, and for each names push. Okay, so the names we have Amir and Betty. There's an easier way with map. With map, we don't need to create and modify a new array. Instead, we can build a new array directly. Person. Okay. People, mob. So this returns Amir and Betty. Here we go. And we finished the lesson. 5 minutes to go. Square. We'll be writing tests. Use map to write a function that squares every number in a list. Square, it takes a nums, so which will be a number, and it will return number thing, and returns num dot map, and we will take num and will return num times num, like so. An unexpected token. So which could be the unexpected token? Delete this. Okay, I'll delete that. Okay, this one works. So num number, like so. Number. Why you don't want to take the types? Teach me how to type check, and then they don't allow me to do so. Strange. Strange. And okay, let's go. Test. That appends a exclamation mark to everyone. So we have a strings dot map. I will take s, and we will output s plus that, and that should be it. Okay, it was easy. And we will not make this one, so we are done. And done is better than perfect. So see you next time. Bye.